Hi everyone, while making your pendrive bootable and this error you are getting from the Rufus that specified procedure cannot be found, then I would suggest that you should follow this trick. So if you are getting this error message while making your pendrive bootable, then I have a solution for you. So for this you have to see which version you are using. So I am using this Rufus 3.15 version and I am probably thinking that this version is not compatible for the work I am doing. So let us go to the browser and download the lower version of the Rufus. So just type in Rufus download index. Click on the first website and go to some lower version of the Rufus, like maybe 3.5 version, and download it. Run the lower version of the Rufus. So as you can see, this is the Rufus 3.5 version, which is a lower version of Rufus 3.15. So we'll quickly select the Windows and click on the start. So this way we have resolved the error that a specified procedure cannot be found, and we have successfully made our drive bootable. So that's all for today's guys. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. This is Hitesh Ram. See you in the next one.